Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, let me show you how you can stream on Twitch using OBS. Let's start by opening OBS. Click the plus sign to create a new scene and label it Gaming Scene. Add sources by clicking the plus sign in the source box. Then display capture. Label it and select the monitor you're gaming on. Now connect OBS to Twitch. Click Settings, then Stream, and enter your Twitch stream key. Get your stream key from twitch.tv by going to your creator dashboard and selecting Stream under Settings. Optimize your stream by going to Settings, then Output. Set your video bitrate to 6000 kbps and use hardware encoding. Finally, click Start Streaming on OBS and you'll go live on Twitch. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.